Hello coding beings, I am Naman and today we are diving into the basics of computer and programming, especially for those of you who may not have any prior knowledge. I will explain everything in simple terms so you get a good foundation. Whether you are curious about how computers work or you want to get started with programming, this video is for you. Let's begin. First, it's necessary to understand what is machine. A machine is anything that reduces human effort. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine that processes data. It takes input, processes that information, and gives you output. Think of it as a smart assistant. It follows instructions, solves problems, and completes tasks for you. Whether it's browsing internet, creating document, or playing a video, it's all done with the help of computer. Imagine you want to solve a math problem. You tell the computer to do it. It will process that information and give you the result 4. Simple, right? What is program? A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Think of it like a recipe. Just like a recipe tells you how to make a dish, the programs tells the computer how to complete the task. Without programs, the computer won't know what to do. Programs are written in programming languages, which brings us to our next topic. The programming languages are classified into 2 types: low-level language and high-level language. In the low-level language, there is machine language, means 0 and 1, and assembly language. In the high-level language, there is procedural programming language, examples C programming language, and object-oriented programming language, example C++, Java, .NET. Computer only understands binary language, that is 0 and 1. Let's understand how the compilation and execution of the program works. For example, if you have written a code in C programming language, then that code goes to preprocessor, where the preprocessor removes the commands and handles the statements starting with hash. Then that code is called extended source code. The extended source code goes to compiler, where the compiler checks the syntax and convert the program to low-level language, means assembly code. That assembly code goes to assembler, where the assembler converts the assembly code to machine-level code or binary code. Then that machine-level code goes to linker, where the linker combines the user code with library code, and we get the executable program. That executable program goes to loader. Loader is a unit of operating system which brings the program to RAM for execution. Toolchain is a set of tools to convert high-level language program to machine-level code. As example, preprocessor, compiler, assembler, linker, debugger, source code editor, and etc. IDE, Integrated Development Environment, means where we write the code and run the code. So how does the computer interacts with us? It interacts with us with the help of input and output devices. So what do I mean by input device? Input devices, these are tools that let us send data to computer. For example, keyboard for typing, mouse for pointing and clicking, microphone for voice input. Output devices. This gives us the result of computer's processing. Example includes monitor for displaying images and text, speaker for playing sound, printers producing hard copies of documents. In simple terms, input devices helps us to give instructions to computer and output devices shows us the result. Before wrapping up, let's quickly go over some basic computer terminology. Hardware, software, and operating system. Hardware means the physical parts of computer like monitor, CPU, and keyboard. Software means the programs and applications that run on the computer like games, browsers, and word processor. Operating system. This software manages everything in your computer. And there you have it. We have covered the basic knowledge that everyone should know about computer and programming. See you in the next video.